Hi guys, this is Michael, and today I am reviewing the NEWYES electronic memo pad. Now this is pretty cool. If you've never seen one of these before, it's basically a tablet that allows you to write on the screen, and it has a little stylus that attaches to the side of it like this. There's an on-off switch at the bottom. It's a little shaky, but it does get the job done. Lets you turn it on and off. This is powered off a CR2032 battery, which is right in this compartment here. You just have to unscrew the small screw in order to access that battery. Now this does have quite a long battery life. This is a 10-inch diagonal screen on this, and basically when you turn it on, you're able to write on it. You could keep a shopping list. You can doodle on it. It's great for kids to have in the car. You know, you can just draw on it. It's basically really cool. Now, what it is not a regular tablet. It doesn't have a memory. You can't send this anywhere. It has no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or anything like that. It's basically just a writing tablet. Think of it as an electronic chalkboard. And when you want to erase the screen, you can't partially erase the screen, but if you want to erase the screen, then you just push this button at the bottom and it instantly erases the screen. And then you can start writing on it again. Now, if you don't want to accidentally erase the screen once you've compiled a list, maybe a shopping list on here, then you have to make sure that you turn it off. When you turn it off, whatever you've drawn on there remains. It doesn't erase. You can continue to draw on it, but it just simply won't erase when you push the erase button. But when you turn it back on again, basically think of this as the lock, whether it erases or not. Then it will erase everything. That's really the only thing you have to be careful of, because you might spend all week long creating your shopping list and then accidentally erase the entire thing by pushing this button. So you do have to make sure that you are aware of the position of this button. So like I said, you can still write on it and everything when this is in the locked position. So on the back is kind of interesting. This is actually a whiteboard. So if you have whiteboard markers, don't use a Sharpie on that or something like that. That's a permanent marker. But you want to use a whiteboard marker. Then you can write using your whiteboard marker on here and then just wipe it off with a paper towel or a microfiber cloth. So that is it. It's very simple. It's quite thin. It's very lightweight. It feels fairly durable. It's not, it's not anything that you'd want to sit on by any means. But other than that, I think it's a pretty handy little thing. I would like to see a little better contrast, though. It is not quite as bright looking as I would prefer. But overall, I think it's really neat. And we have this in our kitchen, and I just like to write little notes on here, and then my wife gets home and she can see, whether I let the dog out or whatever the case may be. It also comes with this. I'm assuming this is some sort of like just a wrist loop that you can put around your wrist, since this is so light. They don't really tell you what it's for, but there is a small hole in the corner here, and you can feed these loops through that hole, and then just put this end through the loop that comes out the other end, and it makes it into a little springy thing. It's kind of weird. I don't use it. It doesn't seem that durable to me, but apparently that's what it's for. I guess you could also use this to hang this from a hook or something on a wall. But this is the NEWYES electronic memo pad, and that's about it. If you have any questions about this product, I'll try to answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. You have a great day.